And the moment you've all been waiting for, subassembly number 6. This one's so exciting. This is serious. Like, if you're going to lose one of your subassemblies, don't lose this one. Because this one takes 2 days, because you had to make this and then wait till the next day. And so let's finish this. We're going to use this thing. It's called a nylon shoulder washer. Tell me that's not exciting. That's about as exciting as finding a puppy that's lost, that has a tag on it that says, "I'm yours now." That's right. Here it is. These are plastic shoulder washers, nylon shoulder washers. Here's what we're going to do. This one's kind of crazy. Watch. So what we're going to do for this, can you even see this? Here we go. Let's get it down here. What you're going to do for this is we are going to use super glue. One of the only times we use super glue on the clock. And you're going to put a tiny drop on the edge of each side of that weight pulley. And then you're going to take this plastic shoulder washer, and it's got a little ridge right around it, and you're going to put that in without getting super glue on your fingers. And you are going to just very carefully press that in. Now you've got to look to see that this shoulder washer is seated all the way around. It almost is. I'm gonna give it one more on the other side. Now I'm gonna again take this super glue. I'm gonna put a little bit. And if you want to get crazy, you can put it in 3 spots. Why not? I'm feeling a little crazy. And so now we're gonna put this in. Give it a little press. Try and get it started. And there we go. So now this has the shoulder washers in. I'm going to set it aside for a moment so that glue can set up. Now comes this. So the next step, you've got a couple dowels that are 1 1/16 of an inch long. That's what goes into here. But before you put these in, you'll want to put a little bit of glue on here and stick this over. It's a cover. And then once you've got that cover together, okay, it looks something like this. Then you can get some glue in those holes, and you know how to glue. You're going to glue these in place, and then we're going to put this together. But don't put this together unless you put this piece on first. And this piece needs to be able to spin freely. All right? Okay, so if you've got that, if you've got these two glued together and you've glued these into place, then you're going to put this on. You're going to put glue in the other side, put this together, and then you're going to be done. Okay, now everything should be even. A lot of times students will use a rubber band to hold this together, and then you've got this weight pulley. Pretty sweet, right? So when you're done, it's going to look like this. This should move back and forth. This should spin freely. This part goes on the string to the clock. This part is what hooks onto your weight shell. Tell me that's not exciting. Whew, I'm as excited as a mosquito in the blood bank. I don't even know what subassembly number this is. Let's think. It's not the crutch. That's number 1. The great wheel. And then 3 was the weight pulley, which is that little thing. Number 4 was the, whatever this is called. Number 5 is the actual weight pulley assembly, which is the rest of this. That's number 5. There it is. 5 it is. And now we're on to number 6. Hey, your subassemblies look pretty good. Here we go.